Hello and welcome to this short video on how to add plans to your building passport. So once we've made a building passport, we can click on it here and we're taken through to this page. The first section we see is plans. This is where you can add a floor plan of the building you are creating a building passport for. If you can't find a floor plan, it's always worth checking your address on Zoopla and seeing if it's listed in the images of the house. In the Plans section, when you press the Add New File button, it will already fill in the file type section up here. You then select the floor that the floor plan shows. In my case, I'm going to start with the ground floor. If it applies to all the floors, you can press Select All. Then give the file a title. For each file, the system will extract the name of the file as it is saved on your computer, so unless you have already named it suitably, it is a good idea to put a file title here that clearly states what the file is for yourself and other users you grant access to. For this, I'm going to ignore the expiry date because it's not relevant to my floor plans. I'll come back to that in the Documents video. There is an additional file information section here which is optional. The legal owner is the person or party who owns the deeds to the property, or a leaseholder. As a typical homeowner, this information is not required. It is more geared towards the corporate building owner. Then you drop the file in as a PDF or DWG and press Upload File. And we can see it appear in our Plan section. When you upload a file as a DWG, it will be converted automatically to a PDF. If you would like to prevent this from happening, you can upload this under BIM files in the Design and Construction Documents folder, which I will show you in the next video called Uploading Documents. If your floor plan was in separate files for each floor, just repeat this until all floors are covered. I've now uploaded all the floor plans I need to, and that's done. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please check the tutorials playlist for help with other elements of setting up your building passport.